pick it up, and it was plug and play only. I don't have to weld anything. It was a good deal, so that's why I had to pick it up. That was the exhaust muffler, and it has already the mounting plate. 30 bucks. Gloves on. So I got the stock muffler, and that's the riser muffler. You can call that. Hey guys, so I just replaced my stock muffler to a riser muffler, so we'll see how it sounds. Sounds not too bad.
Change it, act like I ain't know this. Getting money, nigga, that my main focus. With 223, you act like you don't know this. We're part of